So, hi guys, today we are going to present a new project that is the smart solar based smart dustbin. So, here we have the real time dustbin available. So, we are going to make it somewhat automated. So, let us look into the project. So, solar based smart dustbin. So here we have a 12 volts 1 amp battery and a power supply module, that is here we need 12 volts and here we need 5 volts. So we are using a buck converter, and here we have 12 volt solar panel and also a solar charging circuit in order to charge the battery. And then next we have SIM 900A GSM module in order to message the status of the dustbin. And then finally the present state of dustbin is being visible in the LCD display. And we are using a servo motor in order to control the cap of the dustbin. And we have two ultrasonic sensor. The front ultrasonic sensor is facing towards the front face of the dustbin. This will detect the person motion, and we're gonna have one more ultrasonic sensor inside the dustbin. So this will detect the trash percentage or the trash level in the dustbin. So here we have two options, that is automation, and here this is the automation part, and we are going to have manual part also. So this is the manual, so both options is been provided. So let us see the working of this project. So as of there is no trash inside the dustbin. If at all someone comes and stand in front of the ultrasonic sensor before, the cap has been opened in order to allowing us to have trash. We can drop trash in the trash can or the dustbin. But if at all if the trash is full, for example, this is now the trash is full, and if someone comes before and you see the above cap will not open. So if now again you see now the can open, and now it cannot be opened. So you see here it is not opening, and you see the dustbin here, you are getting the message as dustbin is full. So if at all if this sensor detects the trash can is full, you will get a message here the dustbin is full. So that is the ultimate aim of this project, smart solar based smart dustbin system. So thank you for having the video.